Our solar system is an exciting place that consists of a planetary system. The Sun is a huge orb of burning gases that keeps the solar system together by its gravitational pull. The planets are classified into two groups: the inner planets and outer planets. The Sun has 8 planets. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The orbits of the planets lie on the same plane called the ecliptic. Mercury is the first planet closest to the Sun. It is the fastest revolving planet and takes 88 days to revolve around the Sun. No life exists on this as it is very hot. The surface is heavily cratered and has no known satellites. Venus is the second planet closest to the Sun. It takes about 244.7 days to revolve around the Sun. It is the hottest planet, comprising mostly of carbon dioxide. It's unsuitable for life and has no satellites. Earth is the third planet closest to the Sun. It takes about 365.2 days to revolve around the Sun. It supports life and has one natural satellite which revolves around the Earth. Earth is known as the blue planet that supports life. Mars is the fourth planet closest to the Sun. It takes about 686.93 days to revolve around the Sun. It is referred to as the red planet. Mars has 2 moons, Phobos and Deimos. In between Mars and Jupiter, there are rocky and metallic objects that orbit around the Sun, known as asteroids. They are known as minor planets as they are too small in size. Jupiter is the 5th planet farthest from the Sun and is also the largest planet. It takes about 11.86 years to revolve around the Sun. It is called a gas planet with 67 moons. Saturn is the 6th planet furthest from the Sun and is the second largest planet. It takes about 29.46 years to revolve around the Sun. It has 2 prominent rings composed of extremely small particles like water, ice, some rocky debris, and dust. It has 62 moons. Uranus is the 7th planet farthest from the Sun. It takes about 84 years to revolve around the Sun. It looks bluish green in color and mostly composed of rock and various kinds of ice. It has 11 known rings and 27 moons. A unique feature of Uranus is that its axis of rotation is tilted sideways, unlike the other planets. Neptune is the 8th planet farthest from the Sun. It takes about 165 years to revolve around the Sun. It is blue in color and is the coldest of all planets. It has a composition of rock, ice, similar to that of Uranus, with 13 known moons. Pluto is known as a dwarf planet since it orbits far beyond Neptune's orbit. It takes about 11.86 years to revolve around the Sun and has one satellite. Here is a quick recap of the topic.